Welcome back. You're watching Republic TV, and we are now getting you the latest visuals of Captain Amrinder Singh's meeting with the NSA, Ajit Doval, that took place in the national capital a while ago. Do remember that Captain Amrinder Singh has been camping in Delhi for the past 2 days. He met Amit Shah yesterday, the Home Minister, and he has, of course, been voicing concerns about, infiltration attempts across in the border state of Punjab. Let's go across to Shivani, who's been tracking this meeting that was taking place between the two. Shivani, give us more information of this meeting that took place. Now, it does also, come in a line of meetings that Captain Amrinder Singh has had with the BJP's leadership, as well as, the talk of the fact that Amrinder Singh could be looking at his options. So, in that scenario, tell us more about how significant this meeting is.
Nupur, this meeting indeed is quite significant, and when Captain Amrinder Singh was the Chief Minister of Punjab, he was still meeting NSA Ajit Doval and Home Minister Amit Shah, because then he was giving the reports about the security threats to the border state of Punjab, and that's what Amrinder Singh has said, that he was quite concerned about how there have been infiltration attempts, smuggling attempts by Pakistan into Punjab, and that's what also was troubling him when Navjot Singh Sidhu was given the command of the PCC. And he said that he's just not fit for the border state. And he was then also meeting the security agencies, the top brasses of the security setup of the country. And today also, Captain Amrinder Singh has once again met National Security Advisor Ajit Doval in the national capital a few minutes back from now. And yesterday we've seen how he has met the Home Minister Amit Shah. And in both these meetings, apart from the other issues, the major issue that was discussed was of the security of Punjab, because we know that Punjab has a border sharing with Pakistan, and there have been a lot of terror bids being foiled by the BSF in the state on the international border, and there have been attempts of the drones being sent across the border, to which these security agencies have been they have been foiling these attempts. But Captain Amrinder Singh, being a veteran army officer, he has a perception of a different security setup. He has to apprise the National Security Advisor about these security threats to the state of Punjab, because we know he has left Congress, but he hasn't left politics. And he has also met the BJP, he has said, and his supporters have openly said that everything is open for the future prospects, and quite likely that's being perceived that Captain Amrinder Singh can be a part of BJP soon after his meetings that are happening in the national capital. But of course, if we talk about the meeting with National Security Advisor Ajit Doval with Captain Amrinder Singh, certainly it comes out that they have discussed the security situation in the state of Punjab, because we know that the security agencies that fall under NSA's regime, they are being reviewed continuously in the evolving state of affairs which we have been witnessing, be it on the western borders or on the eastern front. So this meeting perhaps is one of the very significant meetings that Captain
Amrinder Singh continues to work for the state of Punjab. Yesterday meeting Union Home Minister Amit Shah, today meeting NSA Ajit Doval. We're getting those pictures right there from the national capital.